Today, we're going to meet a very special friend named Penny. Penny was a curious little penguin who lived in the snowy, sparkly land of Antarctica. He loved to slide on his belly and catch yummy fish, but there was one thing Pip was a bit shy about: asking questions. One sunny morning, all the penguin families were preparing for the Great Penguin Parade. This was the most exciting day of the year. All the penguins would march together to a secret sunny spot where the ice was perfect for slipping and sliding. Penny was so excited he could barely stand still. His dad gave him the instructions. Waddle past the 3 big snow mounds, turn left at the shiny blue ice cave, and then march straight until you see the big iceberg shaped like a fish. Penny nodded, but deep down he was a little confused. Was it left or right at the ice cave? And what if there was more than one fish-shaped iceberg? He felt a little flutter of worry in his tummy, but didn't want to bother his dad, who looked very busy. So he just said, "Okay," and waddled off. He waddled past the 3 big snow mounds, just like his dad said. Easy peasy. Then he saw a shiny blue ice cave. He remembered he had to turn, but which way? He guessed and turned right. He waddled and waddled, but something wasn't right. He didn't see any other penguins, and there were no fish-shaped icebergs anywhere. Penny was lost. Just then, a friendly puffin named Polly flew down and landed beside him. "Hello there," chirped Polly. "You look a bit lost. Where are you heading?" Penny felt his cheeks get warm. "I'm going to the Great Penguin Parade," he mumbled, "but I think I took a wrong turn." Polly smiled kindly. "It's okay to get lost sometimes. Did you ask for directions?" Penny shook his head. "I was confused, but I didn't want to ask." Polly tilted her head. "But asking questions is how we learn. It's like a map for your brain. Why don't we go back to the ice cave and ask someone?" So they waddled back together. Near the cave, they saw an old walrus sunbathing. Penny took a deep breath and asked, "Excuse me, Mr. Walrus, which way is the Great Penguin Parade?" The walrus opened one eye. "Ah, the parade. You just need to turn left at this cave, young fella." "Not right." Penny's face lit up. "Thank you," he chirped. He and Polly followed the walrus's direction, and soon they heard happy penguin sounds and saw the giant fish-shaped iceberg. He had found the parade. He gave Polly a big hug. From that day on, Penny wasn't shy about asking questions anymore. He learned that asking is not a bother. It's the bravest and smartest thing you can do to find your way. So next time you're not sure about something, remember Penny the penguin and ask away. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Press that like button and subscribe for more interesting stories like this.